Well, hello, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I was getting ready to start doing a video for you today because this is like a prequel to tomorrow's, and I got a painting, and I wanted to unwrap it. Oops, there we go. The tape just comes right off of parchment paper. I was very lucky to win one at Heather Madar's auction the other day, so need to go check her out. And it says, with love and light, Heather Madar, 2020 on the back. And she said I would be surprised. And, oh, now I like it, I don't know, I like it this way, I think. Well, I don't know. Oh, sorry about the glare. Look at those. And I got some of her famous balloon rolls in there. Oh, if I can get a photograph of my artist wall after I hang this up later today, I will include it in the video. So thank you very much, Heather. I love it. Now let me put this over here off to the side and move the paper, because what I am doing today is it's going to be very quick. I'm going to put some alcohol ink down, and then I'm going to put these on it, and it's going to dry overnight. That's why it's going to be quick, because I'm not going to photograph the drying. Okay, I'm just going to do a whole bunch of alcohol, and then I'm going to go with my blush, which is from Brea Reese, and my passion purple, and let's go with, I'm just going to do those two colors. No sense in putting a whole bunch of colors in there. I'm just going to go with those two. Okay, there is my blush. I may or may not have to blow it to get them to intermingle. We will see in a moment. So that was the blush by Brea Reese. This is the Passion Purple by Jacquard. Links to both of these will be down in the description. Okay, now I don't want it to mix too much, because I don't want the purple to take over, but it looks like it's going to. Oh no. Well, it looks like it's going to take over, so I just want to get it mixed around, because what I'm going to do is, and I know this is going to look weird, but I am just going to put these little guys down, and you can dry it some more if you want. Okay, let me see, I'm going to do that one right there. It's okay if you don't get, if you get plain paper under it. It gives a little bit of texture. Now I'm going to do this one under here. And the only time I ever weight them down is when they're trying to slide like this one is. Okay, I'm going to let that one sit for a little bit. And now I'm going to do, I'm looking at my colors. Where did my orange go? Or my, okay. Oh, I put the yellow away. That's what happened to it. I'm trying to figure out what colors I want to do. So, I want to get my Prussian blue on here. And I think I'm going to do, trying to put the cap on and I dropped the bottle. Sorry about that, but you know, life happens when you're trying to art. And of course, I got my finger all dirty now. Okay, I'm going to do some Baja Blue over here, but let me first kind of swish these around a little bit. I know it looks almost the same, but see, it's not. I don't want that Prussian blue to take over. I probably put too much of it on there. Oh well, life happens. I'll let some of it go off. I want to put just a little bit. Oh no, it's going to turn it purple. Let me put just a little bit of green up here just to see if I can get a nice little shade of green up there. That was the Rainforest Green by Jacquard. This one right here was the Baja Blue. And this darker one up here is the Prussian Blue by Brea Reese. Okay, now this one I'm going to put this one right here, okay. And most of these are caps. That's just a little like a trinket dish that I got at the dollar store, and the rest of these are caps, okay. Okay, so we're going to let these sit overnight, and then I will be back tomorrow for my live at 12 noon to show you how they dried, and then we're going to embellish them. You can already see the white ring going around it. And I just love just leaving it, letting it dry without blowing it around. Just trying to get that green to spread out a little bit more. So, we will see tomorrow on my live how these dried. So, I want to thank y'all for coming into this short video, but like I said, it was quick because it was a prequel to tomorrow's. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Hit the little bell for the notifications so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos, and especially tomorrow's, which is where I'm going to embellish these guys. And all the products that I used will be listed down in the description with links to where you can go get them at from Amazon. That helps out the channel, supports the channel a lot if you get them off of there. Oops. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't realize my cord was in there. And all I can say is, I love the fluid arts right out of you guys, so bye for now.